situation?
You know how it's going.
Hey. Big Modini. Oh, we got Big Peyton in the back. Lonnie Laurent. Chill, look at the fit.
Why would I fuck with you? You can't even match my energy. Nowadays, your own brother be your enemy. Money is the root of evil over everything. And love will get you killed, so give me loyalty. But even that is dangerous. I can't switch up on my family. Ain't no reason they should hate on us. But snakes be camouflage chameleon. So watch who you trust. Why would I fuck with you? You can't even match my energy.
Everybody in my city wanna be a shooter, but they ain't get no money, so to me that don't mean nothing. I just done through 50, nigga, that's just therapeutic. Don't you reach for nothing, nah, you don't look that stupid. Them killers come through and chop your head off they roofers. That little bitch you fuck around, she stick around, she mooch. How long you own that gun, little nigga, and you ain't using it?
The man, the myth, the legend. Fucking Otto.
Treat every video like a skate video. I don't know why, but I just be doing fucking crazy shit. I mean, when you rap, are you aggressive? Are you like what?
If you just go to SoundCloud, you can then play a reference just so you can like understand him as an artist. I feel like that'd be kind of a little easier for you. Come on.
Spit something over this. Like some you already got. Just so I know how.
Yeah, that's what he said. Just
That's what I come on it. Just do whatever.
don't overthink it, man. Do you?
Get too sick, drink a whole bottle of wine. Bitch, I throw up on that shit that you talk for, nigga. You don't import. I'm just saying bullshit. That's how it go. You know us and my shit. You ain't even know. Get that money. Then we show up. All that shit we doing. Niggas ain't the way they see it lose. On my shit, I got an empire. My crew bitch feel like Lucius. What you doing? You just say that you the man. You not included. There's no names allowed. Fucking see the friend. Is we shoot it. It's that picture perfect. No time for that perfect. No, we sipping perfect. Niggas talk about there ain't no prince. Cause we just feel I'm saying bullshit.